Well, howdy there. Welcome or welcome back for those returning viewers to The Tactical Goose. If you don't know me, I am Aiden. I am The Tactical Goose, formerly The Goose Show. I'm not even going to try to explain myself. I'm sure y'all can see what that is. Very faintly. If you know what that is, well, you know. Y'all know I love Camaros and Firebirds, just to let y'all know. Second generation in particular. I already have my little 78. I done did. So we're going to follow it up with this one. If you don't know what this is, this right here is a 1974 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. It's beautiful. It's in a little bit of bad shape, yeah. Okay, I'll admit that. But man, it's cool, you know. Look at this thing. It's dirty. It's rusty. I know. But nonetheless, it's just a cool car. Beautiful body style. Interior is a little bit yeesh. Oh, and by the way, whoops. Yeah, speaking of interior, put a new headliner in this thing. But woo-hoo, if y'all know what that is, that's gonna be fun. So yeah, the motor, I'm not sure if you can see it too well. That's a 327 small block. What? 327? In case y'all don't know, basically with cubic inches, the way they work is the fewer you have, the shorter of a stroke there is. So if you got some 400 something big block, it's gonna be like, it's gonna be, you got a 327, it's gonna be, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, enough lollygagging. So today the goal is gonna be to clean all this junk, all this stuff off of the car, and if I can, clean the car. Wash it down, get it nice and clean. That's going to be the goal for today. So, let's do that. Now, if I haven't told y'all already, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also don't forget to subscribe to all my friends' channels. Primetime Fun, Vintage Coin Hub, Level Up Legend, The Goldfish. And, yeah, that's the boys. That's my friends. Please subscribe to them, if you would. But anyway, so today, like I said, we're going to clean this thing off, if at all possible. So let's just get to it. Okay, that's a much better position for the camera. If y'all didn't notice, our hood is cut out through the top. So this thing can have your carburetor just sticking right up through there. And it looks really good. Stuck. It won't shut. I think I'm going to take that hood off for now. But tell me, what does this engine bay look like? That's the 327 right there. Got a Holly carburetor. Not sure exactly what kind. I'll have to figure that out. Got a nice looking breather. This filter's busted, but breather looks nice. Yeah, it's got a nice looking distributor over there too. But anyway, enough about that. This thing is a rat nest. It's kind of bad, but oh well. Let's see. We'll get some more stuff out of here. There we go. Okay. Now we're in a much more manageable position. We still got to get all this stuff off. This is all kinds of junk. Probably don't care about. Except for this. It's a racing steering column. And we got our wheel right there. It's an old bulb old headlight bulb. I think that one came off the 78. But anyway, enough about that. I'm gonna go ahead and clean all this junk off the top. I'm gonna do that off, and I'm sure y'all don't wanna look at that. So let me do that real quick. Okay, so I done it, and I'm just gonna say this looks a whole lot better. Oh yeah, look at that. Ain't no junk on it anymore. It looks not clean, but at least it ain't crowded over with a bunch of stuff. So it is, as far as I'm concerned, is ready to clean. So let's go do that right now. Okay, so what we're gonna do first, we're gonna vacuum up all this junk. Gonna vacuum that all out of there. Let's do that real quick. Okay, so here's to be pretty clean now, if I had to say so myself. So there's no more rat's nest all over our intakes. Of course, our intake looks a little bit bad shape. I'm gonna fix that. Don't worry about it. That's about all I'm gonna do for right now. I could go inside and do all that. I'm not sure if you can see. But ain't gonna do that for right now. I'm gonna try, however, to take this thing outside and go wash it off. Okay, so we got the car wheeled outside, and we are ready to go start washing. So let's do that. Okay, so here we have the car done been pressure washed, and so we're gonna go take it back in. So let's do that. Okay, so we got the car back inside. As you can see, it looks not necessarily clean, but at least it ain't got dirt all over it. So there you go. I discovered some interesting things. In particular, you can see the parts are completely different colors. It's all blue, but under here is metallic green. Okay, all over here is gold. That makes no sense. Well, there's different colors, but yeah. I just to let y'all know, this wash wasn't to get everything off of it. It was merely to get it cleaned off, so we got know what we're working with here. So yeah, this is pretty much what it looks like Got all kinds of dust all over it. Take this back off the engine. Engine still looks the same, but anyway. So, with that, I suppose I will see y'all in the next video. Hope y'all like this, and if you want to see more car content, please like, share, and subscribe, and let me know. I'll see y'all in the next video. Goodbye.